you get this kind of weakness in the pre-market, things just really fall apart pre-market. A lot of times we get a really this double nice bottom bounce. Is just perfect. May not get a chance to get it. So what I'm looking for is long off the double bottom, and without definitely pays the bills. What a move. Nice, man, nice. Where's triple Qs? That must be bouncing here. No, look at Netflix rip while triple Qs is just holding up, man. Wow. Triple Qs holding up the 182. Netflix is ripping. That's just incredible. Let's go. You check out some 350 puts on Netflix too for this move here when we get there. I'm gonna be watching these 350 puts on Netflix too. We get up around 350. I'm gonna be looking to get all out my calls up in this area and get some puts. And I'll be looking at the 350 puts. I know as soon as I sell these, it's gonna rip. Where are we at with the triple Qs? Yeah, come on, Netflix. What are you waiting for? If we don't get a good pop here and some buying pretty soon, I'm gonna have to give up on this one on the long side, and I'll just be patient for the short. One more pop. Come on, Netflix. One more. You got it in you. I know you do. Joe, talk to it, man. I know you're the Netflix master. Yes, the 350Cs, yes. There you go, my man. Yes, sir. You got much better. Oh, I got the 355s. I got the 355s. 100% right size on these things, though. I got the 355s, not the 350s. But yeah, dude, nice. You got them down there when they were cheap, though. Very nice. Very nice. I hope you're talking to it. I can't hear you. 63 to $4. What a trade, brother. What a trade. Man, nice work, dude. Andrews caught some of that Amazon action. Looks like he caught a 250% gain, roughly. All right, Netflix, let's go. Come on, one more. You got it. All the way to 55. Come on. Stop teasing us. Let's go. I need it. I need 355 here. Let's go. Come on, we don't even have that much size at 354. Look at this. I mean, look at it. It's only 2,300 shares, man. Just print it. Print it. Let's go. You got this. There it is. There it is. There it is. Buy it up. Buy it up. Man, you guys ever get sick of listening to me talk it out like a radio? There it is. Let's go. Come on. Come on. 355 is coming. Come on. We need to see a big pop here. Don't slow down. I want to see an accelerated pop here. There we go. Keep lifting that offer. Just lift it. There it is. One more time. One more time. All right, took profits there. I haven't bought the puts. I'm looking at, I took profits on those calls. I don't know how much more Netflix has in it. So here's what I'm thinking here, and be careful with it. Triple Qs to here. And I think all of our nice buying is going to stop when triple Qs get to here. It's the time of day for the buying to stop. We've had some really good long extended buying candles. Triple Qs is coming into major resistance. NVIDIA is looking like an exception. It looks like it's reclaimed this level and it might hold and continue. Netflix has huge move right here, right? Could very well get 20 bucks out of it today if triple Qs actually get through that. So, but I went ahead and took profits right here. I wanted to maximize my gains. And now I'm just waiting patiently on the puts here. I have a little piece left if it keeps going. Waiting on the puts. They're right around 60 cents now for the 350s. One more rip right into this. This is where I want to load the boat. With Netflix puts, I want Netflix at 360 or 356 and triple Qs right here. I'm going to load up those puts fat. That is a beautiful setup. Big quick wash. These three, that's the only way I'm touching these puts. It keeps trying here, and it keeps trying, it keeps trying. We're at the low of the day right here again. I need 50 cents on these. I could have got it right there. Dang it. I could have got me some 50 cents off the offer. I'm looking at the size though. For me, it's kind of difficult. I mean, I could have got the size I wanted, but there we go. I'm gonna get another chance. Nice, nice. So I'm a little bit hesitant on pulling the trigger here on these just yet here. I think Netflix has got more in it. I've seen this so many times. The way it's holding up, the way it keeps holding up and holding up and holding up. It held up 350. Now it's holding up 352. Odds are this thing is going to hold up over this 353 for the rest of the day. I have no reason to believe that it's going to crack this, right? Unless it does, until it does. So I'm not touching anything short anywhere in this range. It has to be on the high side of this. So I'm waiting here patiently. Preferably a pop to that 356 from yesterday would be just great. Could probably get them around 30 cents. Let's go. Come on, one more pop. High a day. What's Triple Q's doing? Let's go right into 360, 356. Probably get these puts for around 30 cents then. Then we could retrace back to 353 and have a nice win. Would you just give me the move I'm looking for, Netflix? Come on. Look at NVIDIA go. My goodness. Maybe it'll actually, it needs to move faster than that. It's just gonna, my options are never gonna come back. There's no sense in even bothering. It's a total loss. Come on, let's go. You can do this. One more pop here. I took a starter. Netflix puts. All right, so let's look at now. This is after the fact, right? So what did we end up doing here? Let's take a look at Netflix and Amazon. So let's take a look at this Amazon. This is where we were long. This is where I was long, and then I rode the calls up into this area and ended up all out in here. We can look at those. Here's the calls. It was just that one push. Got in here, sold here. Amazon 280 Cs. I had a 61 average, and let's see. This is from different accounts, so I can't really show the arrows here because it doesn't show. So I'm looking at all of them together here. So 61 cents, and the best sell on the Cs were 177. Sold some at 220 on this candle here. So sold some at 177, had a 61 cent average, picked up 100 contracts. Total, sold some at 67, at 177, 220, and then the last piece at 67 cents on the way down here. Pretty much stop break even on the last piece that I had. So that was a nice home run, and that was based on, like from the live action, that was based on this double bottom play. Got long at the open, just like I said in the live. That's how that played out. Netflix, this was a fun one. Netflix long off of this 343, so like this area here, nice healthy move. When I got all excited for Joe, he actually picked it up on this pullback in here, got him a nice entry, and he did this whole move. I was watching 350, and I didn't touch it until I got over 350 and got long here. So here's the long we were in. I was looking in the live action. I was looking for this right here. How did that play out? Here's the 355s that were in long, and I just had 20 contracts on that with 83 cents and sold at 170. And then I sold another, I had more contracts in another account, and I sold them around 177 was the best it looks like on that. Could have got more out of it, but didn't wait for the rest of it. Got all out, and I was looking for the puts. And then the puts, here's the one in the video I said a starter position. I took 100 at 36. I took 100 contracts at a 36 average. So I got these down here, and I'll show you. I ended up selling half at 57, and I'll show you why on the other chart. And I sold half at $1.09, and I sold the other half at $1.09 for a nice win. And of course, this thing went all the way to 2, but I wasn't in for that ride. I was already out by then. I was done and out. I wasn't in for any of this, so I captured it here and was completely happy with the gain. 300% gain with 50 contracts is no chump change. I got 100% gain with the first half and 300% with the other half. And it was based on, oops, wrong one. It was based on this chart here. And like I explained in the live video, so it was holding up this 353 very nice. So this is where I took half the profits. It got this wash right here. We got this wash into this. You can't see it in the 5-minute candle, but it kind of bounced. I took profits here, and then I took the other half off here right as it approached VWAP. And I was done right here. And we did get more out of it, but I wasn't holding. I was away from my desk and just done and out. Capture the money, take the money and run. So killer day. The NVIDIA calls that I spoke of was I kind of took a stupid trade the day before. I added on NVIDIA, which I normally don't do. I don't ever add, only to a winner. But it was holding up strong, and I thought, hey, so I went ahead and added here. This ended up being a total loss. But I made enough today to completely make up that loss on those options that went to zero. And then plus profits. So even on stupid trade, I was able to make it up on some good trades today. And that's the power of trading and options, right? So after seeing the live trading and seeing some of this stuff here, if you see anything in here that you might be interested in learning, come see me, man. I got a lot of great content. New website has a lot of new stuff. It's very structured. The mentor program is very structured. You're going to get homework. You're going to get a risk profile that you need to build. You're going to get a lot of things that will help you with your trading. My number one goal is your trading. If you become a mentor, if you enter the mentorship program, my goal is to see your success. Account building is where I give you the tools. You're on your own. Of course, you have me screen share and live, and you can always hit me up with questions. I do my best to answer everybody. But account building, I give you the tools, and then the mentor program, I'll do some hands-on, spend some time with you, show you how I use those tools. All right. So if you're interested, come see me. Smashthebid.com. Peace.